The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is Google's anticipated flagship, rumored to bring enhancements in performance, camera quality, and display, setting it apart in the competitive smartphone market. Here's a review based on the expected features. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is likely to continue Google's unique design language with a matte glass back and distinctive camera bar, providing a sleek and modern look. It's expected to have an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, ensuring durability. As an XL variant, it will likely feature a larger frame, perfect for those who prefer bigger screens for media consumption and gaming. The Pixel 9 Pro XL may come with a 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display with QHD+ resolution, delivering stunning colors, deep blacks, and crisp clarity. With support for a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, the display will provide smooth scrolling and an excellent gaming experience. The display is rumored to have up to 2200 nits peak brightness, making it easily readable outdoors. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to be powered by Google's Tensor G3 chipset, which should provide improved AI capabilities, smoother performance, and better power efficiency compared to previous models. It will likely come with 16 GB of RAM and storage options starting at 512 GB, with no expandable storage. This configuration is ideal for heavy multitasking and demanding apps. The Pixel 9 Pro XL may feature a 50MP primary sensor, allowing for sharp and detailed photos, especially in good lighting conditions. An ultra-wide sensor, around 48MP, and a 5x telephoto sensor are expected, enhancing the versatility of the camera setup. A 42MP front camera with ultra-wide capabilities is expected, perfect for group selfies and video calls. The Pixel 9 Pro XL may come with a 5060 mAh battery, sufficient for a full day of use even with heavy apps and gaming. Fast charging is rumored to be up to 37W wired and 30W wireless, with reverse wireless charging for compatible accessories. Pros: exceptional display with 120Hz refresh rate and high brightness. Google's industry-leading camera software and advanced computational photography. Strong AI-powered features powered by Tensor G3. Long battery life with sufficient fast charging. Cons: no expandable storage. Limited fast charging speed compared to competitors. Potentially high price tag due to flagship features. Conclusion: the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL promises to deliver top-tier performance, an exceptional display, and one of the best mobile camera systems. It's perfect for Android enthusiasts who prioritize software support, unique features, and Google's signature clean interface. However, with expected high pricing, users will need to consider if Google's flagship experience aligns with their needs and budget.